Nikki at NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another episode in our Instant Pot series. The next couple of weeks we're going to be doing some fall comfort food, and we're going to kick that off with an Irish beef stew. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. Okay, so we're ready to start our beef stew. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our Instant Pot to saute, and we're going to wait till it gets hot, and we've got about 2 tablespoons of oil in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our beef cubes, stewing beef, and we're going to throw in our flour and salt and pepper. And we're just going to mix that up a bit and get it well coated. And then we're going to brown the beef cubes in the Instant Pot. Okay, so you just want those nice and well coated. Okay, we're going to put them into the Instant Pot. Extra flour and all. Okay, we're just going to let those brown on all sides. And when that's done, we're going to remove them to a plate. Okay, so our saute is done. So we're just going to remove the beef from the Instant Pot onto a plate and put it aside for now. So now that the beef has been removed from the Instant Pot, we've added a little bit more oil back into the Instant Pot, and now we're going to add in our onion, carrot, and celery. So we're just going to let this saute for about 2 minutes. Okay, our veggies are done their saute, so now we're going to add in the tomato paste. Worcestershire sauce. And our herbs. Rosemary and a bay leaf. Mix that around. And let that saute for another minute or so. Okay, now that that has finished sauteing, we're going to add our beef back to the Instant Pot, as well as our beef stock and our stout beer. Give that a stir. Now we're going to put our lid on. And then we're going to cancel the saute, and we're going to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. And we'll meet you back here when that's done. Okay, our pressure cook is complete, as you can hear. We're going to do a quick release.
A few minutes later.
Is it ready to eat right after this?
Sorry?
Is it ready to eat right away?
We put potatoes in.
Oh, right.
We put it on for another 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. I just want to eat, man.
Eternity later.
Okay, the pin is dropped, so we're just going to make sure that it's... I'm going to take the lid off slowly. Go. So now we're going to add in our potatoes. And give it a stir. we're going to put the lid back on. And we're going to put our seal back to seal, cancel, and then pressure cook for another 10 minutes. And when that's done, we'll allow that to naturally release, and then our beef stew will be ready. Here we have our completed Irish beef stew with stout beer. This is a perfect meal on a cold fall night. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. You can find the recipe in the description of the video. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and we will get back to you. Thanks so much for joining us today. See you next time.